Alright guys, I'm back. I found my tripod, so finna sit y'all up so y'all can see what's going on. And alright, hold on. Let me sit y'all up real quick. Alright. Got you where I need you. Yeah, guys, I just decided to go ahead and put a cold air intake on here. Just because I really don't have no reason why I'm doing it. I'm always doing something I don't need to do. But fix this part first. So I've been wanting to fix this part right here for a minute. To get it closer, to get it like it's supposed to be. So I can breathe, brother. Yeah, guys, I got a lot of plans for this truck. Before, well, Memphis got a car show March 30th at the Southland Mall called the Block Party. So a lot of people gonna be out. Most of the whole city gonna be out. If you got old school, you got anything, that might be a place you want to be. Cause everybody gonna be out there, y'all. Everybody. It's like the first show of the car season. Like it's gonna be the first. It's the first show. It's the Block Party. It's the first show every year. Every year. Move this box. You're not going back in here. First of all, I don't even know where I'm gonna put you. So I got time cleaning this joke. They get dirty every 5 minutes. Gives you a lot of room without that box. Easy to do it another way, but we always choose a harder way than the right way. Alright, that part off. Gotta get this part. Cause this is my main. I'm not running if I don't get this part right here. I'm gonna have to put everything back. My motor is not gonna run without this. I know y'all don't want to see me struggle with this, but right now, I don't have a choice. Look at this shit. A breather. So, dang guys, I ain't gonna lie. I do need to look at the picture. Oh, which one go first? Well, I think it's the little one. I think the little one go first. The long one got two at the end. Alright guys. I'm gonna hit y'all back. Let me look at what I gotta look at, and I'm gonna hit y'all right back. Alright gang, I'm back. So I figured it out. Had to look at a little picture, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Figure this on out. So it's self-explanatory once you look at, you know, pictures and all that. Shit really all of the same. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. What I'm gonna do is this one might go on the small end. This one might go on the big end. Let's see what we got. Try to get this up in there. I know it's rubber and everything, but you know, sometimes you really have to do certain shit to get certain things to get it to work like you want it to. Take you over here so I can down here get you right. I'm gonna do these, I'm gonna do these on easily untighten and tighten them if they need to get tightened. I put them on the other side, it's like, it's real stupid. Real stupid, guys. I ain't lying. This, when people be having these right here where you gotta tighten them or untighten them in a weird position, like they're just the stupidest thing you could do, because it's like, how you gonna get in there? Like, how is you gonna get in there to fix it when you need to? If you even need. But if you do it right the first time, you don't have to. But at the same time, just fix it a way that's easier for you. That's my motto. Always make it easy for yourself. This is smaller. This is smaller. Damn, I don't have a 7. So I'm gonna have to use a screwdriver because I don't have a 7. Nigga will give you some new tools anyways. Yeah, I know how it be. If they work, they work. I ain't trying to do too much. Everybody got that one tool set, even though it's missing 100 tools. You always looking for another. Always like, damn, I'm missing a tool. But that's your favorite tool box though. You always grabbing them off. Everywhere you go, you grab. I ain't gonna lie, this rig gonna look good up on this hood. Eventually, I'm gonna clean up on it here and get clean the chrome vibe cover and stuff, but not right now. It ain't in the picture right now. This breeder way bigger than what I had on here. Like airflow wise, we might be getting on down that road, y'all. Be breathing, man. It just helps. I don't have a problem with my airflow. But you know, some of the computers be like, you know, some air filters you gotta get the tune with, and they be like, your air, the computer be saying that you got too much air coming through the motor, like the motor getting too much air, and it be making it run bad with a cold air intake. Until you get a tune that's so your motor can handle the air that's coming through it. All right, let's put it on and see what we got. Hey, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look A-okay, y'all. I like that. I like that. I ain't lying. Hi. Let me look at the view when we out here. Hey, that's gonna look good, y'all. Up under that thing. For my opinion, you know what I'm saying? I know I'm doing the work, I bought it, but you know what I'm saying? It's gonna look good. Put another boot on this thing. Man, that was good. Come on, boot. Gotta get up out of there, man. Just right there, y'all. So, the big part goes onto the big part, and the small part goes onto the air filter. Yeah, buddy. Ooh-wee. Yeah, that's that thing now. That's that thing. Man, that's that thing. tighten them on down. Try to get it the closest y'all can so you won't have no leaks. Like, try to get it all the way around it so it won't have no leaks nowhere. It'll be all sealed up. Like I said, try to make it easy. Any way you can, make it easier for you. You the one gonna be working on your vehicle if anything go wrong. So make it easy for yourself and not nobody else. Everybody had a way of doing things. Cause you'll watch videos and people like do it like this or do it like that. Do it what's best for you. Cause you're gonna be the one working on it. They ain't gonna be the one working on it. You might watch the video on how to do it, but they gonna be the one. You gonna be the one working on your car. That's my advice on it. You're gonna be the one working on your car, even though you watched their video on how to do it. They shorted in 1 minute. Tight. I don't want to hear nothing but they whistle. Dang, man. But I still gotta go in there and delete my delete well, put the computer on there and delete all the sensors and stuff that's on my we got my check engine light on right now. Just in case something else pop up on your check engine light, check engine with this, you'll know that it's this instead of something that was already previous on there already, and then you be having the stuff on there, you know, before you even do something like this, and you be thinking it's this when it was something before that you just never turned off, so you'll know it's that. You know what I'm saying? So what I do, I delete every time I put a new part on my truck. I delete all the codes on my truck, so my check engine light will go off, and then when it pops back up, whatever new pops back up, I know it's the problem. I know it's the problem. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I like to do. I don't like cause right now, I know I got a sensor on top of my intake that's showing on my check engine light. But I done changed it 5 times already. Every time I go to the parts store, get a new one, this thing, I bring it back, put it on, my truck's still saying there's something wrong with it. So I delete the code because I done replaced it 5 times already. Like, what, 6 times gonna be a charm or something? Like, I thought it was 3. So I thought third time was a charm. So at that point, I just delete this shit. I ain't even gonna hold it. I delete it. Ooh-wee. Yeah, that way. Looking good, huh, y'all? Let me know in the comment section if you like it. Yeah, guys, and make sure you got your clamps as tight as you can. Yeah, buddy. Now it's time to get the big boy out the box. There we go. There we go, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Look at that, y'all. Look inside. Ooh, ah, shit. I want this bullshit though. Yeah, buddy. At the final product. Probably true. guys. Hold on. I'll be right back. Yeah, guys, I was shooting in 4K, but 4K, it don't be, the quality might be alright. It ain't the best it could be. Maybe I need another camera or something. Cause that video with when I was looking at my speakers, it's the whole video is in 4K. Tight. Make sure everything's tight. It's better to use a socket to tighten them down, because a screwdriver can only get them a certain tight. It could be tighter with a 7 socket. It can be way tighter. Y'all a closer look. Thing look good up under there, y'all. Yeah, it look good. Got everything plugged back in. Only problem I might have is this sensor right here. You see how it's sitting out right here. The rubber grommet ain't that good. But the one that's on the original right here is tough. Like, it's real tough. I'm still thinking about putting that one in there. I might. Depends on what it do. So now, let's get my tool and delete some codes. Let me put it in the on position. And we're gonna delete some colors real quick. I know I got about 5 of them. Cause I really wanna know if that's the problem or I got the same issue that I've been having. Try to get the radio down so I can explain to y'all what's going on. Y'all see how it say check engine service engine soon. So enter, let it read, scroll, erase, right here. See, you got 2 codes right now. That one, we got that one, and that one. It's gonna say the same thing. That's why I say 4 codes, because it's saying the same thing twice. So, go right here, hit erase, yes. Make sure they erase. Then don't hit rescan. 0. Alright. Turn it off. Start the truck up. See? Check engine light on. Everything on. Dash clean. Now when it pops back on, still playing my movies and stuff. Now when it pops back on, I'll know. Then I could check again and see what it is. It ain't on right now. We're gonna get some air, man. We're gonna get some air. Yeah, I gotta take them off today. I'm gonna take them off in a minute once I get done. See if any codes came back up. Did the check engine light come back on? Nah, that thing's still off. So yeah, guys. So this about the end of the video. So like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Subscribing is free, liking is free, commenting is free. Y'all can say whatever, you know what I'm saying? I like your opinion on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can just tell me how y'all feel about the truck, or, you know what I'm saying? You feel about the truck, what I'm doing to it, the way I'm going with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to have the rims on. Yeah. It's warming up. It's warming up. I ain't gonna lie, it's warming up. So they might be going on in about 2 more weeks. It's just too cold. I don't be feeling like being outside putting no rims on, y'all. I ain't lying. Like, I just don't feel like it. I ain't lying. Cause I gotta put some brakes on. New brakes. I ain't gotta put them in the back, I gotta put them in the front. I already checked the ones in the back. The back's still good. You know, I got the drums still in the back, but I already checked them. Then the new, put the new brakes in the front. Then, yeah, then put the rims on and paint my calipers back red. Let's see. Nah, she good. Yeah, old baby good. So, yeah. I'm gonna, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. If you're watching from a distance, come on over here to the team. Because it's like, let's say I look at my analytics, it's 75% of y'all that's not subscribed, but y'all watch me every day. So, come on, join the team. Come on, join the team. It's fun over here. You know what I'm saying? We can do whatever. So, just come on, join the team. That 75% will help me build bigger and better vehicles, if you get what I'm saying. So, I'm finna go ahead and wrap this up. Go ahead and finish. I ain't gonna lie, they look good. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in love with that right there. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in love with that. So I'm gonna hit y'all in the next video. Alright. Stay out the way. Get some money. It's 2024. Don't let nobody stress you out. Don't let nobody do none of that bull stuff they used to do in the past. And just stay true to yourself. Alright.